In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize conversations into custom views in the inbox in HubSpot. We'll start right from your HubSpot dashboard. This is your home base, and it's where you can quickly jump to the tools you need. Look for the main navigation, then open the More menu to reveal additional options. From there, choose CRM to access the core customer relationship tools. Next, head into Inbox. This is where all your connected channels, like email and chat, pull conversations together for your team. Once you're in the inbox, open the Actions menu. This menu is where you manage how your inbox is structured. Select. Create a view to begin building a customized slice of your conversations. You'll be prompted to give your view a name. Choose something that clearly describes who or what the view is for. Think unassigned priority chats, billing questions, or needs follow-up today. Clear names make it easy for you and your teammates to recognize the purpose at a glance. After naming your view, click Next to move on to the filtering step. This is where the real organizing power comes in. Click Add Filter to choose the criteria that will define which conversations appear in this view. You'll see a list of conversation properties you can use. These might include things like channel, inbox, assignee, status, priority, or specific tags your team uses. Pick the property that best matches the scenario you're trying to manage. For example, if you're building a view for only priority conversations, select the appropriate priority property. Depending on the property you choose, you'll set its value. If the property is a yes or no type, select true to include only conversations that match that condition. This ensures your view automatically pulls in the right threads as they come in, without any manual sorting. When your filters look right and the preview matches your expectations, click Create View. HubSpot will add your new custom view to your inbox, making it easy to switch between your default views and the tailored ones you've built. From now on, your team can focus on exactly what matters, whether that's urgent requests, unassigned messages, or conversations tied to a particular workflow. A quick tip: keep your filters simple and specific. The more focused the view, the faster it'll be to scan and act. And if you ever notice conversations slipping through, revisit the property and value choices to refine the results. That's it. Your inbox is now smarter and more organized with a custom view.